Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Karibuni sana. If you're new here, hi, karibu sana. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make detox juice with very simple ingredients. So if you're interested in this video, let's get to the video. So on my right, I have some carrots, chopped carrots. Then I have ginger and garlic. Next, I'm going to be using one apple, a red one. You can use a green one if you want. One lemon. Then we're going to be having one whole beetroot. Consistency, you can also add some water. Okay, let's continue blending. So I think our juice is ready. Let me confirm with a spoon, people. Spoon it. Okay, so we had to switch to a different motor because we use the wrong one. So yeah, it happens when you wash the blender and you mix them up. So we're going to blend again to make it more fine. Ready to serve.
The Bluetooth is connected successfully.
Yeah. So this is the perfect detoxification smoothie. Tumeweka kwenye giradhi. That's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section and let's engage. Share with your friends and most importantly, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also remember to tap the bell notification to get notified of every single time I post. So until next time, bye guys. Peace. Toodles. So for consistency.